Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. And again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Ministry of Health and Wellness is moving to reassure the public that there are no cases of Ebola in the country. However, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Beseza-McKenzie says the ministry has intensified monitoring at all ports of entry into Jamaica as part of its standard public health response to global outbreaks. These measures target travelers who have been or transited through Ebola-affected countries within the last 21 days. So far, 8 passengers have been identified with relevant travel history and have been placed under mandatory quarantine.
Not suspected cases. This is a precautionary measure to ensure early detection of cases. The health departments will continue to daily monitoring of persons in quarantine.
At the same time, the ministry is urging Jamaicans to carefully review their travel plans and avoid non-essential travel to or transit through affected countries. To other news now.